This is the chapter 5 stick war. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know. I don't know no number. I know number 1 siguro. Hoy. Number 1 ka? Oo. Bakit ka sa head ko? Puro si M. Nagkaroon niya pa yung Siley at M. Si M yun. Oh, nakita ko na speed. English. Oh, na-switch ko na. English. Okay, switch it. Okay, bro. Oh. What are you thinking out? Or the yellow. Shut up, guys. I'm gonna switch my hat for some reason. Blah. How about this 4? I'm gonna try it the 4, but okay, we're gonna try it. Wow, did you say you also did?
Man the fort, defend the fort. Man the fort.
I'm gonna buy this. I will pick it.
Attack.
Attack, guys. No touching my statue. Okay. This looks like a statue. This is a fort. Oh, that's me. Okay, Raven. You can put it. You can. Shut up, Paki. Magic ka dito. Di ba napanantad pa? Kain na pinicturam dito? Isad ko ka na. Ano ka man naggalaw-galaw? Pulo ba? Bandi. Inap na kayo. Mama, isad kami. No. That's so really fast. I'm break the statue again. This way,
Attack.
Hey, let me wait, bro. She said to shield. I don't like shield. Stupid red. I mean, stupid yellow. Ah! The stupid yellow kicked me out.
Bye guys. Yo. Hehe.
Oh, the yellow is down.
Raiden, shoot, and the ball. Ball. Headman. Oh! It's only 13?
Ready? Bardagulan with CN and Raiden.
I won.
Bardagulan pa. Gusto niyo pa?
Blah 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 blah, Ate Joyce. You sound so stupid, Ate Joyce. You look like a koala. Koala. Ate Joyce. Koala. Sister Joyce.
The copper girl.
Bye. This is for you, loser.
Attack.
Yes!
Marla, si Raiden.
Ay, madami na ako dahil.
Okay, guys.
This is our second. This is our third friend.
His name is Kill. Okay, bro. Shut up.
I have 5.
Please win. Like and subscribe, guys.
5.
Okay. Goodbye, guys.